You'd think we worked in a shop or something. Look at this dude.
Before I did anything, I said, I want one license and I just want to play in it. And I'm gonna try to break everything I can because I wanted to know what the problems were gonna be. So I played with it for a couple of months, and the more I got into it, I'm like, okay, I just know there's a catch. I just gotta find it. And so I'm like digging, right? And I didn't find a catch. And I'm like, this is a really great program.
I like to be a part of our slogan and our motto, and that's keeping America moving. So everything that you see, you go shop, you go to the movies, whatever, it's there because of what we do. And Fullbay is a big part of why we're able to do that.
Let's say you replace the AC compressor, you create the service order, and then you make the repair, and it's very easy to put in a story and what you did. It's all organized from the pricing of the parts, what parts, the repairs that were made, you can list it all, and then it's all on one screen.
My favorite thing about it would be the ranking between the technicians. You know, I look at it here and I'm like, ooh, this guy's ahead of me. Like I gotta step it up a little bit, you know? It's not so much competing with everybody else, but competing with yourself. I set myself a goal, like I'm gonna crush last pay period or last month.
It's the only other program that I have had multiple technicians say that they loved and would not want to use anything else.
To me, it just seems like it makes everything run smoother. It helps the customer and it helps the company. I couldn't imagine working without it.
It's a program that helps you do your job. It almost does it for you in a sense.
It helps me know what my tech is capable of doing. It helps me know if he's able to get to that job in a certain amount of time.
You know, with dealing with so many people, whether it's technicians or vendors or what have you, you don't have to talk to everybody. You know, everybody only has 2 ears, so you can't hold that many phones, right? But you can email multiple vendors and multiple customers. Every part of the process that you need to handle is right there in front of you, and it's all at the click of a button. It's all convenient.
Fullbay is life-changing, you know, in this industry, and it's a tough job some days, and to have something that makes that process that much easier is life-changing.
Fullbay is going to make you money and it's going to save you money.
I think Fullbay is kind of like a Swiss Army knife in terms of what it is that we do, because you have it right there in the palm of your hand and it can do many things.
We would not have been able to do this without Fullbay. There's no way. It was just the perfect tool. We knew what we wanted to do, and Fullbay said they were going to make it happen, and they did.